I now call on Ms. Nadine Jean-Pierre, Bachelor of Science in Management Studies with Accounting, First Class Honors, to deliver the valedictory address.
Chancellor of the University of the West Indies, Mr. Robert Bermudez, Vice Chancellor of the University of the West Indies, Professor Sir Hilary Beckles, Pro Vice Chancellor and Campus Principal, Professor Denzel A. Williams, Honorable Ministers of Government of Antigua and Barbuda and the region, university executives and other members of staff of the University of the West Indies, graduates, distinguished guests, welcome to the presentation of graduate ceremony for the 2021 graduating class of the University of the West Indies. My name is Nadine Jean-Pierre, and I am greatly humbled and honored to deliver the valedictory address on behalf of the 2021 graduating class of the UWI Five Islands campus. While growing up, I have always heard of the saying, change is inevitable. This means that there will come a time when we all must encounter change. Whether it be at home, at school, or even at our jobs, we should always be prepared to expect change. The graduating class of 2021 had to endure a number of changes throughout our years of studying here at the Five Islands campus. As students, we had the opportunity of completing our studies at home. In 2019, we received the great news that Antigua and Barbuda would be home to a fifth campus of the University of the West Indies. Some across the country and region were ecstatic to hear of this announcement, while others wondered if Antigua was ready for this major step. But change was coming. I want each of you to ask yourself, is one ever fully prepared for change? A quote by Mandy Hale states, change is painful, but nothing is as painful as staying somewhere you don't belong. If we aspire to move forward and become better, to deliver a higher level of education for the 21st century, we had to make a change. This change was crucial to enhance the country's economic development and to provide a development platform for the OECS holistically. A decision like this extends the opportunity for us all to aspire to have a more educated and skilled workforce, which will increase our competitiveness globally. With the excitement of bringing the Five Islands campus into operation, we all had to undertake studies during a global pandemic. Another unexpected change. We were hit with the shocking news of an outbreak of a very deadly disease commonly known as COVID-19. Due to COVID, we had to resort to remote learning and conduct our exams online. Gone were the days of face-to-face interactions with each other, exhausting the snacks from the vending machine on campus. Indeed, we came to understand that change comes with great pain. On a more serious note, a few students were not fully prepared for online learning because we were not equipped with the critical electronic devices while we had to adapt to a new learning environment. Our social lives were disrupted, causing many of us to be mentally drained. In defense of these challenges, we had the administrative staff assisting us at each step of the way. Students who were not equipped with devices were offered laptops to use for the period. Mental health workshops and stress relief seminars were presented to the students occasionally to manage the response to the pandemic and to guide us with mitigating the challenges that came along with the pandemic. We were not forsaken during that difficult time, and for that, on behalf of the graduating class of 2021, I express a heartfelt thank you to the university's administration, our parents, mentors, and anyone else who has offered assistance when needed during this crucial time. It made the change manageable. My personal journey has not been easy, but with God as my guide, I was able to achieve my goals. Despite my mother being a vendor and my father a painter, I did not let the challenges that I faced stop me from doing my best. I am the first among my 7 siblings to become a university graduate. Many do not know, but since the age of 19, I have been employed as a part-time security guard. Having a job while going to school has shaped me to become more disciplined, but also made me a more principled and dutiful individual. I insisted that the financial dilemma that plagued my family would not impede my pursuit to gain a bachelor's degree. I went the extra mile and burned the midnight oil so I could be an inspiration to my family and anyone else who looks up to me. I had many sleepless nights and burning the midnight oil moments so I could meet all deadlines. Maintaining good grades was not an option, so I put in the extra work needed to achieve my goal of graduating with first-class honors. This achievement reminds me of the motto of the University of the West Indies, which states, "Light rising from the west." So you see, it is fine to be different. It is okay to take a completely different path from what is considered to be normal. Just remember to always have an end goal in mind. By doing this, you can accomplish all that you put your mind to. Don't forget self-care. Take care of yourself. Go to the beach, watch a movie, and spend time with loved ones. I want to encourage those who may be in a similar situation as I have. Those who may have had to get a job because of the financial family struggles, and those who may feel discouraged at times because of overwhelming situations. I encourage you to keep going. Keep striving for the best. Write your goals in a journal so you could have a visual reminder to not give up. Give it your best and be the change in your family and community that others can look up to and be proud. You, the graduating class of 2021, are a beacon of light rising from the west, breaking the generational curses of our families and communities. Let us shine our light so bright that neither virus nor unexpected change will dim our light. Today we have made history. Today we are the first undergraduate class to graduate from the University of the West Indies Five Islands campus. For that, we should truly be proud. We have made it. Today we have proven that change does not equate to failure. Rather, it paves the way for us to become the best version of ourselves. I thank you.